For example, a person where you know, a friend or a family member or whoever, a person where you know, right? This person gets sick. And then when the person gets sick now and not have the money, the sufficient fund, they need some financial assistance to get some medication, right? Oftentimes than not, them person, they don't have nobody around them to give them nothing. All of the friends them what they used to have, all of the family what them used to have is no longer. Maybe 1 and 2 person will stick around. But when you look on it, and you say, but wait, if the person is sick and needs some help and needs some medication, why not assist that person so the person can get better, so them can get back to them normal way of life? But no, a lot of people wait till then dead. Then the same person that would need a little prescription money, a little assistance. Now the person dead. Now you, as a family member or as a friend, willing to send thousands and thousands of dollars to help with the burial. What a wicked and diabolical mindset that is.